Hi guys, today we are going to tell you about biological adhesive Liposam from BTU Center company and explain how use it correctly. Liposam is a product of natural origin based on biopolymers, and it is effective and multifunctional. Liposam is compatible with chemical and biological preparations, fungicides, insecticides, herbicides, micro and macro elements. Liposam is used as aqua solution. The solution is dissolved step by step. First, add the required amount of adhesive to water in 1:1 ratio and mix until the solution becomes homogeneous. After that, add water gradually in small doses while constantly stirring the solution. Let's do it together. You can find more interesting videos on our YouTube channel. Join us!